Tyler's seeing your gauges and he had to get him some. He's tapping at EGT now. Alright, Taylor has drilled and tapped his manifold for the installation of the EGT. Pipe threads. Kind of hard to mess it up. Just don't go so deep that your bolt head hits your manifold and you can't go down deep enough. Tight there. That thing's 3/4 of the way in, ain't it? Yep. Yeah, with that tap, if you go too deep, then your pipe thread can't get a bite. And then the head hits the manifold, then you're stuck with a hole that's too big. I don't know what you do to that. Buy another Cummins, I guess. Oh yeah. He's assembling the EGT sensor. It's summertime. It's 600 degrees in the day. What about 575 at night? Just got the headlights on. You got a way to route that in. He's already put his trans temp sensor in. It just screws inside the transmission. And this is a, what's this one? Boost. Boost. That's your boost gauge. They still got to put his 8-pillar in. You want to tighten that? Yeah, we will. Alright, gauges are installed. It's nice to keep up with those temperatures. And this rig gets babied most of the time, so. What is that? I see something at the foot of the hill. Well, I did.
That's a deer.
Is there?
Yeah, she's behind that tree.
She's laying down in the kudzu. So there she is. And she ran. Let's see if she went behind us away. Can they come behind us? She's gone. A big old doe. She was right there. But anyway, to the gauges. That's a good one to keep up with exhaust gas and the boost until you gas it. Trans temp. That's a pretty easy install. How long did it take you?
5 hours.
5 hours. But I think he was playing around for about 3.
That really didn't take me 2 hours.
About 2 hours. Scary part's drilling that manifold. Very neat. I like it. I like it a lot.